Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Make sure you're signed into the profile you want to change, and if needed, disable sync so changes stay local. Once ready, open the browser menu and go straight to Settings or Preferences. You'll see a Search or Search Engine section. Click that to begin. While you're here, note the current default so you can revert if needed. This immediate move keeps the process focused and prevents accidental profile-wide changes while you work. Once in the search settings, scan the available engines and pick one from the list for a quick switch. If your preferred engine isn't listed, add it. Enter the engine name, a short keyword for quick access, and the search URL template that accepts %s for queries. After adding, choose Set as Default. Make sure to remove any duplicates or obsolete entries. Cleaning the list avoids accidental switches. These steps let you control exactly. Finish by testing. Type a query in the address bar and use the site search box to confirm both use the new engine. Once verified, re-enable sync if you want the change mirrored across devices. If the engine doesn't apply, clear the browser cache, restart the browser, and disable extensions that intercept searches. Those are common culprits. If problems persist, remove and re-add the engine, then set it again. This final check ensures your change is complete and reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.